Hi, I'm Robert Flowers and welcome to Case Studies, Property Rentals, Problem and Solutions. This will focus on a curated playlist that delves into the world of property rentals, offering a comprehensive overview of real-life scenarios and the challenges that arise within this domain. This playlist presents a collection of in-depth case studies that highlight various problems faced by property owners, landlords, and tenants, as well as the innovative solutions that have been implemented to address these issues. Through these case studies, you will gain valuable insights into common rental problems such as maintenance issues, tenant disputes, lease agreements, rental property management, and more. Whether you're a property owner seeking to enhance your rental business or a landlord looking for practical solutions to common rental problems, this playlist provides a wealth of knowledge and strategies that can help you navigate the complexities of property rentals more effectively. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing. The problem. In this video, we're going to look at a property that had been sitting up for over 20 years vacant. The solution? Once it was in our possession, it was decided to rehabilitate the property to livable conditions, then utilize a nonprofit to provide us with the tenants for rental stabilization. Enjoy the video and let us know what you think in the comments.
1413 Gill. I'm here with the plumber and contractor, one of my project managers, John West. We just kind of discussing this back wall here. This kind of from what the house been sitting up over a period of, how long this house been sitting up? About a few years. Yeah, a few years, and the foundation has sank, and it's kind of got the house sinking. John, give me an idea of what we have to do here.
Well, my suggestion right now is, since the seal has rotted out down on the bottom, and that supports the floor and the two poles and everything up on there, it's rotted plumb out, and you got to most likely remove it and repair the foundation, because the foundation fell down in the ground. And, once you do that, that'll be fixed, but you're gonna have to remove the doors, take that out. Probably gonna have to remove the two floors, and then I gotta jack it back up and replace it with new floor joists.
Okay.
Once you get the new floor joists in, you got it made.
Okay.
One's on the side good, one on this side good, just the back one is completely deteriorated.
Okay. Okay, in order for the floors to be level and for the back to be level, period. All right. Otherwise, any other unforeseen problems here?
No, I already know we got to tear this out.
Yeah, what about over here?
Wesley.
Wesley?
Yeah, for the plumbing, what we see now, we got galvanized pipes running on the ground.
Right.
Have rotted.
Right.
And rusted out. So we got several leaks. It's kind of wet out here. We got several leaks. You can go turn the water on. Oh, stand back.
All right.
Get back up here.
Okay.
We're going to turn the water on so you can see that we got leaks in the plumbing.
Okay. Man, this house. You got it out there?
We have to put the meter back up.
What's that pipe to right here?
That's a drain pipe.
Okay.
On the back, it's cracked in various places.
Yeah.
So we're gonna just bypass.
Oh, okay.
that.
There it is.
You got
Yeah.
one here.
Yeah.
You got one there. You got another leak right there.
Okay.
So what we're gonna try to do is probably bypass as much as that galvanized we can.
Right.
Probably come outside
He said, can he turn it, do he turn it off?
and yeah, turn it off.
You can turn it off now. Off.
Yeah, bro, we probably gonna have to dig outside. Probably have to catch the line coming from here or either the meter and put brand new quarter-inch or half-inch
on this
new
side,
pegs back in.
like as the water can fix this for you, cause it's too tight, they can fix that.
Okay. Okay.
I get water, fix the valve.
Okay.
Turn the water.
That's about it.
All right. This dumpster's, man.
It's full. Way
Okay. I don't know. We probably gonna run into the same issue with this property over here on, on Pillow. Same thing. So
Yeah.
let's get this one up and running. Let's get this one up and running.
Right. First.
Then I think we'll move forward to one of the other properties.
Right.
All right. Okay. 1413 Gill signing off. Signing off.